What's up, guys? Back out here again on Pleasant Valley Road doing another ride. It rained this morning, but it's cleared up a bit. It's still cloudy, but yeah, we're gonna ride up to the glory hole at Lake Berryessa. I haven't been since last year, and it's finally overflowing, so it should be pretty cool. Yeah, it's kind of a different sort of a challenge to capture footage this way, only using one camera, and I have to stop and take it off of my helmet and put it on my thing down there, or I mount it right here, and then I grab the microphone out of my helmet and put it in my back pocket for the exhaust sound, which is pretty cool to be able to do. I'm gonna mix up the video a bit, make it interesting. Yeah, the sun's starting to peek out. Yeah, the other thing why I like doing it this way is because you see other people's videos and they'll have like a giant mount or something right here, and you can just see it, and then it is, I don't know, you see all their mounts everywhere, and just, this is the only one that I have, and I honestly want to get rid of it. I just like looking at my bike only. Damn, that lady was running on this busy road. Kind of sketchy. Ooh. Yeah, that creek is flowing. Yeah, we're almost here already. Yeah, I just changed mounting positions again. I'll have to show you guys what I'm using. It's one of those clamp Joby mounts, Flex Jaw or something. I don't know what GoPro brand, but it's pretty cool. It's just a clamp, and I can just stick it onto my crash bars or my handlebars to do this. It's pretty neat. And let's see how this looks. I could just change it like that. About to be coming up on Highway 128, crossing over Pewter Creek. Let's see what the bridge and the water looks like. Let's put you this way. See if you can see. Yeah, that's full. This is my favorite part, coming into this canyon right here. These beautiful mountains. Give it a month or two and all the wildflowers will be bloomed out here, all yellow and purple. The whole sides of the mountains. Wow. The water is high and flowing. Hey, this guy lives here. He's always there. One hell of a spot to live, right on the side of the highway. Let's come down here and take a look at this. Oh man. Yep, we're right up. You can see the road goes right there. There's the dam, and there's the glory hole. So let's go look at it. Taking a picture. Oh man, if I'm in that photo bomb, That's gonna be cool. What the hell is that? An electric Volkswagen bus? What the hell, man? Get me out of here. Man, it's turned out to be quite a beautiful day. Right here is one of my favorite hikes. Goes up and over the mountains. It goes all through the canyon, and then you go to the top, and then you follow the whole ridge line all the way back, and then it switchbacks up there, and then it switchbacks all the way back down. It's one of my favorite hikes. There's a lot of people out here today too. That's cool. I like to see people out and about doing stuff. Here we go. Look at this again. Well, that was cool. Always like coming up here and riding Highway 128 along Pewter Creek. It's a super fun ride. And again, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm seeing. I just turned this. I wonder how this is gonna come out to look. Look at that scenery. Yeah, I like to come out here in the summer and paddleboard up and down this. But man, it'd be hard to do right now. I paddle all the way up and then just hang out and float all the way back down. It's a cool way to spend a summer afternoon when it's nice and hot. Lake Solano. This is where we come to watch the paddleboards in the water. The train bridge, the historic downtown Winters. Yep, we'll see how that looks. Yeah, it looks like right here I could get down. I think this is just a parking lot for this brewery. I don't think it's private property or anything. Look at that, I get right up on the water. This would be a cool picture. Hell yeah. Unauthorized vehicular use prohibited by law. You see the sign back there? That's funny. I need to get a picture of that. That's too funny. Let's see if I can. Alright, well that was really cool. Now I'm gonna go back over the bridge into downtown Winters, hang out for a minute before I head home. So yeah, I think that's going to do it. This is a good spot to end the video. And I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.